Salut, bonjour, herzlich willkommen zurück auf meinem Kanal. Mein Name ist Schofer und heute gibt es ein neues Video. Und zwar fängt es erst mal mit einem ernsten Thema an. Und zwar ist der letzte Tag, besser gesagt die letzte Nacht, richtig heftig gewesen. Und zwar habe ich irgendetwas Schlechtes gegessen, das meinen Magen komplett zerstört hat. Und wirklich die ganze Nacht aufs WC müssen und richtig viel Wasser verloren, dehydriert. And there is another thing that happened because another guy joined our group. You see him here?
Hi.
This motherfucker.
Straight from the Netherlands.
Straight from the Netherlands.
Yeah,
What's your name, man?
My name is Sanders. Yeah, so glad I got to join the family.
Und jetzt sind wir hier in einem richtig crazy Alternative Hostel mit so speziellen Wängen und zeige euch einfach mal ein paar Sachen im Hostel. Ja, also gut, außerhalb unserem Zimmer sind irgendwie 12 verschiedene Zelte, wo einfach Leute drin pennen. Das ist die günstigste Übernachtungsmöglichkeit. Und gerade neben uns ist ein sehr interessanter Raum, den wir bis jetzt noch nicht erkundet haben. Und zwar sieht man hier D4. Und hier ist unser, this one, und D2. Also ich weiss auch noch nicht genau, was ich das meine, aber es sieht auch schon mal sehr interessant aus, wenn du mich fragst. Okay, that's crazy. Pura vida. Yeah, man.
Here in this camping.
And she's now still here?
No, not yet.
Oh, you didn't saw
now
her?
it's in a hotel.
Oh, the love story goes on.
Oh yeah!
The Israeli girl will come back. The biggest influence on our trip.
He's waiting for me. Yeah!
Vamos a la playa,
We should have brought some beer.
Yeah, some beers would be like perfect.
Yeah.
Because now it takes us 4 hours to get there and we have no beers, just water.
Sad life. I have a sandwich.
Wow, I got a Twix.
And I got peanuts.
And I got water.
I also got water.
And I got some crackers.
And I got some reading material. It's also really tasty. It's good for the mind. It feeds the mind.
That doesn't count.
Yeah, it does.
So, Freunde, wir sind in unserem Hostel angekommen in Monteverde. Wieder mal ein sehr bescheidenes Backpacker-Hostel.
Check out this beautiful window. The view. It's incredible. I mean, wow.
Can you open it?
You see the mountain here? Maybe I have to knock.
Oh, then you can order pizza and pasta.
Yeah, it's like Chinese, you know, Chinese places. Yeah. They do like this.
Chinese that are always
They
really...
give you bami. Yeah, so you see this, it's it's all coming out. So
You
it's
just
gonna be...
ripped it,
No!
man.
Now it looks like snow here.
Wow, looks like in Switzerland.
Yeah.
Jetzt geht's richtig Ziplining. What is ziplining, Sander?
Ziplining. Fuck. It's too early for those complex questions.
Okay.
You.
Ese amor llega sin esta manera, no tiene la culpa.
You look so stupid.
Fuck you.
Narco, got dope like Pablo, cut dope like Pablo, chop trees with the Draco, on the knock got Diego, say hasta luego, we'll be in rapping kilos.
No me abran las manos.
Straight out the jungle, this real rap no harm.
Was it good?
Crazy! This view, man, it's awesome.
Yeah,
Oh,
it is.
fuck.
It is. and you got like tears in your eyes because it's so fast.
I got it now as well.
Yeah.
Tears, it's so beautiful, man. How are you feeling about this?
I'm curious.
Curious.
Yeah, and interested in the swing.
You're scared. I can see it in your eyes. Let me see your eyes.
Yeah, of course.
You're
It will
scared.
be so bad to focus. Falls keine Videos mehr erscheinen nach dem. Probably deaf. You ready?
Yeah, right?
No. Wow, that sounds really scared. There's no way back now.
Yeah, right?
The only way.
I can go back down the
No, you can't. I'll not let you pass.
No. Your life, your choice. So do whatever the fuck you want to do.
Hey, that's the catchphrase. It's beautiful. Jetzt geht los, motherfuckers.
Shit. Ready?
Got stash spots in Honda. Yeah. Straight out the jump.
Ole! Ja, wir sind in unserem neuen Raum angekommen. Momentan ist echt chillen angesagt. Und nachher geht es dann noch auf eine nice Nachttour. Und ich hoffe mal, ist da nicht auf irgendwelchen Scheiß, wo ich nicht weiss, was es ist.
Yeah.
You're interested in the night tour?
Yeah.
And how interested are you in the two German girls?
On a scale of 1 to 10, I say a 2.
Two. You know they're gonna see this video. They just subscribed.
Oh fuck! Don't put this in the video.
And this will be in the video, 100%.
Okay, you can cut it and I'll say then I'm interested 11 out of 10 in the German girls.
That's fake. That's not real. Wow.
It is.
You even do a heart.
Yeah, love for you, German girls.
No. So, liebe Leute, es wird langsam oben und somit fährt die Night Tour für heute an. Ich bin sehr gespannt, wie es wird sein. Und ja, ich will gar nicht viel dazu sagen. Ich würde einfach mal sagen, wir machen uns mal auf den Weg. Der Ball hier, der Bus uns kommt abholen. Are you curious?
I'm curious.
Wow.
Tiger wings, butterfly, they are beautiful ones.
Yeah.
Sometimes we saw, we have some.
But are they poisonous?
Little bit.
Gonna tell you something. We are in the middle of the jungle. There are tarantulas. Sander, where are all the people?
I don't know,
We lost them. Oh, they are here. You wanna eat the ant?
Yeah, I do actually wanna.
The
said
guide
you can.
said they smell like lemon.
The juice is in the back, that ones.
Mmm, looks tasty.
Yeah, be
Wow.
careful, but they bite.
They bite.
Yeah, you need to hold the head. There's another bird sleeping down there, you see?
Which one?
Catch.
Oh, yeah.
Wow, they look so ugly. Wow.
How is it?
Does it taste good?
It's okay. It's a bit lemony, yeah.
Yeah.
It's not a really strong taste.
No, it's not. But nobody eat these birds or animals. They don't eat them. They don't like it. How it tastes. Yeah.
So, es ist der nächste Tag. Nach einer kurzen Nacht. Wir sind um 6 Uhr auf müssen und sind jetzt hier vor dem Nationalpark. Wir sind eigentlich komplett allein in diesem Regenwald drin. Es ist richtig neblig und regnet leicht. Aber die Atmosphäre, wow. Oh, was ist das?
Puma probably.
Ich hoffe es mal nicht, dass hier schon ein Puma unterwegs ist. So Sander, what would you do if you see a Puma?
Take a picture.
And what if he's walking towards you?
I'll try to pet him. Basically just a big cat. So I know animals.
You know animals?
Animals know me.
Yeah.
For example, look here. It's nothing.
it's interesting that it's nothing. It's
I think this is the fruit that I ate yesterday, right?
no, was not the fruit.
No?
That was not the fruit. Also wir sind immer noch die Einzigen hier im Wald und wir haben schon unseren Notfallplan, falls irgendetwas schief geht. Und das ist das Pfeifchen hier. Oder? You think this gonna save us when a puma attacks us?
I don't know. Maybe it will just call all his friends and then they'll come join the party.
What the fuck?
There's so many fucking watch out. I watched some of his videos and it's actually very good. I mean, I wasn't expecting much. But yeah, no, I didn't understand a single thing, but I've been watching it 24/7 now. So.
Dropping like the narco. Got dope like